In today's video, I will tell you how you can install Croster Theme in your whmcs. If you want Croster Theme for free, so buy Fukra Host Reseller Plan, you will get free theme. Then first of all, we open our cPanel. Then after opening, you click on File Manager. After that, you have to go to the public HTML, then click on the upload file and upload the Croster theme here. After that, you have to let it get uploaded. See that my update has been done. So in memory of that, go back. I click on it, and as you can see, Croster theme is visible in my key panel. So I extract it. As soon as I extract it, I see a folder named Croster here. I click on it. I do this and I click on upload from all the files. Then after that, I move it from all the files here in public HTML, and here my work is finished. Now we do go whmcs. And after going to whmcs, you have to click on Settings. Click on System Settings. After that, you have to click on Add-on Module, and here there will be a module named Croster. Activate it and give it all the permissions. After this, you have to enter your license key. Then once it is complete, you have to go to your general settings and go there and click System Theme, then select the Croster theme, and then go to Ordering and select Croster, and click on Now. I have to click on it. Now I see my website, and you can see that my Croster theme has been installed. If you are also looking for a reliable domain and hosting provider, then Fukra Host will be best for you. They have 99 uptime servers, and that too with lots of exclusive offers.